You can now schedule a meeting or a live stream in Riverside, and here's how you do it. Log into your Riverside account and go to Scheduled on the left menu. Click New Session, name the session. It works like Zoom, so you can choose the date, time, and time zone as well. Invite people via email by adding their email address. They're going to be by default set as guest, but you can change them to producer, so they're not going to be recorded, and or audience that can watch but will not be on the actual live stream or the meeting. Select your live stream destinations if you want to live stream this meeting. For now, we have YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn as options. More streaming destinations coming soon. And we also have audience registration option. And of course, this is only available if you upgrade to business, so you can collect your clients and customers or potential customers' data. We're going to skip that for now, and we're done. Create session, and that is it. You can also add the session to Google Calendar so you don't forget it and also get reminders. You're going to see all the scheduled sessions in your dashboard. Check out my other tutorials about Riverside. I have plenty already published, but also many more coming. That's why hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to use my link in the description for signing up, as well as the code Nicole15 to get 15% off.